Good afternoon. Today we are going to a new place in Kolkata. It may not be new to everybody, but for me it's quite new. And today we are going to a new place in Newtown. This place is called the Graveyard of Kolkata, and it's around 22 kilometers from our home. So today it's afternoon Saturday, and we thought why not explore this area. And winter is already gone away and it's spring, and already we can feel the hot summer months are coming. So it's still time to explore these areas in Kolkata. So let's go. The route will be from our South Calcutta via Eastern Bypass. Then we'll go to Nico Park. From Nico Park we shall go to New Vishwa Bangla Gate, and from there we'll take a left turn. So this is the way. There is heavy traffic today, as you can see, because it's 2:45 and half office rush hour is there. So I think it will take good amount of time to reach there. Google is already showing it will be another 26 minutes to reach there. So let's explore this area. Traffic. In fact, driving in Kolkata is little bit tiresome because there is no lane discipline. There is lot of lane cutting and zigzag is there. So I always try to avoid rush hour traffic, but for quite everybody it's not possible. So waiting in a traffic signal. So we have entered the Salt Lake area, just crossed the Chingrighatta bridge, and now we are heading towards Kolkata Gate. We have almost reached gateway of Kolkata, or Vishwa Bangla Gate, whatever you call. So we are approaching the flyover that will take you to Vishwa Bangla Gate. And after crossing the Vishwa Bangla Gate, we'll take a left turn most probably.
In 600 meters, sharp left onto a Darshipali road.
So we have taken left from Vishwa Bangla Gate. Yes, this hotel is an indication that you have reached near the destination, the Westin Hotel. Now we are driving along. Now I think I should take a right turn here. Yes.
Turn right at street number 380.
Yes, this is the place.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Lincoln Park Street, street number 333.
We have almost reached the place. Here you can see those buses at a distance. Now we will take left. Yes, we have reached the graveyard of buses. We'll try to park the car here. So we have reached the particular graveyard of buses, and here I have parked my car, and you can easily see all the buses are lying in my background. And these buses are mostly, I remember, are JNURM buses with rear engine one, as these buses were abandoned. And yes, you can call it a graveyard, but it's not that there are hundreds and buses. Very few buses are there. Let's explore this area. There you see a pile of buses are there. Yes, what I told you, I was correct. There are quite a number of rear engine buses, and here you see this is the engine of this particular bus. All are lying defunct. In this place, mostly these three buses are rear engine one, and here are the rest of the buses. And these most buses were acquired under JNURM scheme, I remember that. And there was lot of halla-gulla regarding this bus procurement policies. So I don't want to comment on that. But this is the graveyard, and you can find that all those construction activities are going on. And there is an empty field in between these construction activities. So that's a nice place to roam around. And instead of having a nap in the afternoon, idle afternoon of Saturday and Sunday, you can easily come here and spend some time here. And this is how the inside of bus is, one of the buses. These were front engine one. And there I have parked my car, you can see in at my back. And that metro work is going on. That is the metro, most probably the Gorrilapod airport metro. My son is having some time with photo shoots. So our visit to this particular bus graveyard is almost complete, and now we'll head towards home. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe our channel for.
Please subscribe and like the video, and parley you can also share it to your friends, family members and all.
And your subscription gives us encouragement to make more videos like this for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.